Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert a background in PowerPoint. So for this you need to click on the Design tab and on the right side click on the Format Background. So a sidebar will appear with several options. For this, first is the solid fill. If you want to insert a solid color like this one, you can select any of your favorite colors. And you can also increase or decrease the transparency here. There is also option is the gradient field. You can select the gradient presets. Choose the type to whatever, rectangular, radial, whatever you like it. And you can select the color and mix and match it like this one. Increase or decrease the transparency, increase or decrease the brightness. If you want to insert a picture or a texture, you can click insert and from a file and select the picture from your computer like this one. And here, if you want to apply to the all, you can click here to apply to the all. You can also use the pattern fills like this one. Change the foreground color. You can also change the background color to the yellow. You can apply different foregrounds and click OK to apply. So this way you can easily set background in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.